Good afternoon, y'all. I'm out here in Morris, Illinois. Just picked up a Conveyor here at Sunbelt. This is going straight to Texas, Illinois to Texas. So my dispatcher got me this one right after the last load y'all seen. So I had to come over here and pick this up. I learned a few new pointers from some legendary veteran RGN guys about cutting my chain shorter so I don't have to do all this wrapping with these chains. So pretty much we got a nice one. Like I said, it's going to Texas from Illinois. And yeah, we're keeping this running, and I'm excited to haul one of these bad boys. So far so good with my journey in RGN. So I thank you guys. I'm about to go to the TA right across the street, get a Catskill ticket so I can get my permits, and then hit the permit route. What I do with my dispatcher, so you know, that way we can get the wheels turning. But yeah guys, so I'll see you in a sec when I go get the Catskill ticket and go from there. Probably get a shower in too right after this. All right, y'all, peace. What's up, everybody? I stopped at a nearby gas station to add some more extra security. I didn't feel comfortable with just getting off work. I wanted to do the X's, especially if I'm going past Oklahoma. They're gonna want the X securement on these oversized things, so all this oversized equipment. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna chain this side, chain the front too, and then get back on the road. Always make sure you oil up your binders or else they'll get stuck. Better be safe than sorry. And all you do is wrap up the extra slack. And there we go. Gotta get my front X, and then we'll be right back to ready to hit the road. I'm gonna go put some WD-40 on some of these binders that haven't been used in a while. So I'm gonna add 2 X's right here, and that's it. I feel a lot comfortable. All right, guys. It took me a while. Got my X's down, my 4 corners secured. Just in case I go through Oklahoma and all that, or whatever, or DOT, never know. So you'd rather be over secured than under secured. And damn, I'm sweating. I'm dirty as hell, so y'all can see. And I lost a piece of my glove, so now I gotta get some new gloves. This shit's crazy, y'all. Time to hit the road. I've been breaking a lot of sweat out here. This ain't for the weak-hearted. So let's get it. All right, you guys. I just got done taking a shower here at the Pilot, here in just outside of St. Louis, the same Pilot I've been before. It's been a long day. I am super tired. We still got some more driving to do in the morning. I'm gonna edit some videos so that way we can continuously keep dropping y'all with hits after hits every week. I appreciate everybody for watching and tuning in and subscribing. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the love, and thank you guys for being a part of my journey here with Heavy Haul. So much love to y'all. See y'all on the next episode. G. Good morning, everybody out there in the world. It's your boy Wolf. I'm currently here in Oklahoma, not too far from Texas. I had to pull over and get some sleep, man. I had some footage when I was going to Walmart and stuff, but I was not feeling good. So I had to pull over like twice yesterday to take a nap, just to sleep that cold off. Kept sneezing like crazy. Since being out here on the road, not eating real food and not being able to cook and have full supplies on my truck. So we're doing a pre-trip this morning. Everything's looking good. Everything's clear, and we're ready to hit the road and get this new load going. I'm still gonna keep running, but I can't wait for home time. See my family, see my son, eat some real food, stock up on supplies for this truck so I can have real food and not eat trucker food. So it is what it is, but we're gonna work on it. We're gonna get it worked out, and you know we can fix. So I'm gonna finish off this pre-trip and then get the wheels turning. So I'll see y'all in a bit when we have to drop off. McGregor Ranch? Is it Conor McGregor shit? That's crazy. Wow. I don't know where they are. Look at this shit. We're in some ranch deep in Texas. It's right next to the McGregor Ranch. It's called the Duff Brothers Ranch. I don't know what's going on here, but it's massive. I'll update y'all soon what's going on. They got me out here in the middle of nowhere. Let's see how it is. Getting unloaded finally. I'm not gonna lie, today I got my ass kicked with this trailer. I had trouble coupling it, putting that together. Minor DIY fixes that you gotta do, but you're learning every day. And I'm learning every day as the RGN Lowboy how to operate and troubleshoot, so I don't never try to pretend like I know everything. You know, I'm still a student to the game, and I'm still learning. So that's it for our next load. I'm about to go take a shower at a nearby pilot, fill up, and I'll see y'all on the next episode for the next pickup. Peace. Cheers.